Did you know some cats are allergic to people? Isn't that crazy? Like, who could be allergic to us? Clearly, we're amazing. We're destroying the planet every chance we get. Why would anybody be allergic to us? That makes no sense. What's going on, professionally silly? It's your girl, Amber Smiles Jones. And welcome back, or to the channel. This could be your first time here. If it is, you're gonna enjoy yourself. This is a wholesome video. It's lovely. It's a great vlog. So what's going on is my dad took me and my cousin Marcus and his son to Southern Belle Farm, and it was a lot of fun. My little man, my nephew, he's Tree. Technically, he's my second cousin, but he's too young to understand it, so he calls me auntie. And I accept that because I don't have any siblings currently that I grew up with, okay? And I want to be an auntie, and now I have the opportunity to be one, haha. Now, I say currently because I did find... This is so weird to tell you guys this. I'm just going to go ahead and slip this in here. Get your teacups ready because I'm about to spill it, and it's going to be hot. I'm about to give y'all third-degree burns. Okay, so what's going on is that I did find my biological sister, one of them, on Facebook a few years ago, and we text here and there, and we talk every now and then and things like that, and we're getting to know each other. And yo, she looks exactly like me. It is wild. Oh, and those of you who were confused, I was adopted. Just in case most of you know, but some of you might be like, what the fuck?
Why is she telling us she met her about? Didn't y'all grow up together?
No, we didn't. I was, I think, the second oldest out of, I want to say 3 sisters. I'm still kind of learning about that, but she's the oldest, and she's a year older than I am. So anywho, I didn't grow up with them, so their children are not like my nieces and nephews. You know, I don't know them yet. I only know one. Her name is Imani, and she's 1 year older than I am, and she doesn't have any kids. So I still can't be auntie uncle. Uncle. Ooh. Misspoke. Auntie. I got these. So anyways, we go to the farm. My nephew sees farm animals for the first time. He enjoyed it. We got a lot of fun stuff that we're gonna try. So we got a few I'll try that episodes coming to you in the future as well. And edible I'll try that episodes, which I'm really excited to do. Make sure you're subscribed. Click that thumbs up button to show support for this video and this channel, because I have a lot of amazing things coming your way. Also, Paranormal Blacktivity. If you haven't seen my second channel, check that out. Subscribe. Link is going to be down below for the new Paranormal Blacktivity channel. Well, new to you, old to me. And it will actually be a year old in August. So, subscribe. What's going on, professionally silly? It's your girl, Amber Smiles Jones. And so what we're doing today is Father Bear has decided to take the family to something called the Southern Belle Farm. I've never been there before. There's supposed to be, like, I think he said like a peach orchard and animals and all kinds of stuff. So I got my cousin Marcus in the back and his son Tristan behind me. It's me and the boys, having a guy's day out, if you will. So I'm really excited about it.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
So we are currently at the Southern Belle Farms, like I told you we were headed before. And this is so much land, it's so vast. I'm really excited about it. There's supposedly some farm animals that we can take a look at. I got my nephew Tristan with me, he's 3 years old. Got my cousin Marcus, he's in his 30s, but he's still a child. He's got the same mindset as his son, just immature. So really excited about this. Take a look at all of this behind us. I'm not sure if you can see all that stuff. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do or where we're going, but I'm just glad to be able to spend some time with my family. All right guys, let's go see what's going on. Oh, there's more. Look, little pants. That is the coolest looking trash can I've ever seen. He wants to pet the cow. Look, I'll pet the cow too. Let's all pet the cow. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, Tristan. Stand in front of the cow so Daddy can take a picture of you. Smile, Tristan. Look at this old school General Motors truck. It's a GM right there. That's pretty cool. Can we see inside of it? I'm not gonna open it though, because it's probably all rusted. But there's like some old stuff in there. Look at that steering wheel. Damn, is the floor wooden? Can you see that? The floor looks like it's wood. Doesn't take much to impress me at all. It's almost like a... Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. It's like a miniature farmer's market. Oh, there you go. Farmer's market. Look at that. Got the wagons up there. A little barrel there. Fresh peaches. That's saw. There's actually some drawings on it. Can you see that? It's like the woods, and there's some deer there. A little farmhouse there. It's kind of cool.
Makes sense to make this is Donna.
Hi, Donna.
Hi.
And Donna was
Doing
telling me
good.
about that most of the kitty type attractions are closed for the summer.
Oh.
Because it's a little bit too hot and the machines get too hot.
Oh.
And so they're closed because some of the equipment is too hot. We can't allow
Got
kids
you.
on it.
What were they, like rides or something?
Well, we have like the big metal slide down here.
That's what that is.
We have
Okay.
pedal cars and we have the big pillow that you jump on, but yet the plastic gets really hot.
Yeah, so with that metal slide.
So we have to
I've
come
been
back,
down a metal slide as a kid that was too hot before.
Yeah.
It
come back
sucks.
in October, huh?
Yeah, well, no, actually, we're opening up September. I mean, we're not closing at all, but September 18th is when we open everything back up.
I have a question. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
probably stupid, but do you guys sell moonshine here?
No, ma'am.
That would
We
have been
sell moonshine
awesome.
pickles.
Oh, where are those?
They're right over there.
Actually, that sounds great.
No, we don't sell any alcohol here.
They don't sell moonshine. So you guys just heard what they're saying is all of the childlike attractions are kind of closed because it's a little too hot. Oh, here they are. And here are some, she said these are like some moonshine pickles. Here they are. I gotta get that. Look, if that's not an episode of I'll Try That, Marcus, I don't know what is. Blackstrap molasses. Yeah, is there like a cart? I'm gonna need a cart. Maple pecan flavored syrup. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna have to come back here sometime during the whole. For 3 seconds, I thought that was a real snake. 3 seconds, I thought that was a real snake. Yeah, y'all know y'all girl is silly. Huh, wonder this doesn't. Is there anything inside of it? No. But that's cool. Old Coca-Cola ice cooler. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna grab one of these. We got peach halves, sliced peaches, pickled peaches, vanilla peaches. Yo, we got a couple of I'll Try That episodes here, bro. Let's get these pickled peaches, because I don't even know what that means. Look, I don't even know what that means. Y'all know I like to eat. Let's grab. They have moonshine relish and moonshine pickles. Let's go ahead and grab the pickles.
Is that the one you want? Which one do you want? The one in your hand?
Donkey. Donkey.
Yeah, you see them?
Donkey.
They're right over there, buddy. Look at that big rocking chair. This thing is huge. I want to show you guys how big this rocking chair is. It's a big, does it rock? No, it does not rock. Big rocking chair, buddy. Look at you. You look so cool. Your mommy's gonna like that picture.
Ah!
You just like Amber and them damn birds.
Shut up. I'm actually worse than that. How dare you?
Well, like your aunties. All your aunties are afraid of stuff that's little microscopic.
Listen, man, bugs, they have no place in front of my face, man.
Auntie Amber, Auntie Shanita, Auntie Marcia.
This is the age of consent, man.
They're all scared of birds.
Oh, it's like a house, a tree house, but not a truck house and a water house.
See the baby cow? See the baby cow?
Yeah. You're excited about the ones that aren't real. We're going to show you the real ones. Oh, germs are bad. Wash your hands in the trough. That's kind of cool. Yeah, water works. Yeah.
Oh.
And that's not for you, Tristan. I just wanted to play with it myself. Smells like animals. Bale's Farm. Oh wow! Look at him, buddy.
All right, hey, look at me. Look at me. Don't touch things. All right.
Hi. You're just a baby.
What I touch you?
Hi.
Look at those babies.
Hello.
Look at those.
You're just babies.
Oh, look.
Ooh.
Families.
Look at you. Just post it up on that little thing.
See the donkey?
You're cute. Hi.
Donkey.
He's 3, Marcus.
I know. You're right.
He's 3. He's gonna touch him.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi. I love your beard. That, you know what? Beards are in this season, so you're rocking that, sir. I'm gonna call you Elroy. Oh, here's some sheep. I'm just chilling here with my sheep friends, okay? Looks like they took some of your wool, huh? They took some of your wool, huh?
Daddy, look. Daddy, watch out. He's gonna bite you.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
He's big one too.
He's a big one, huh? He's a donkey.
He's a donkey.
Hey, it's Daisy, Cecilia, or Celia, and Jerry. Celia, I guess. Daisy, is that you? I'm guessing you're Jerry because you got a man part. Jerry. Jerry said I'm busy.
Want to see chickens?
Well, you're just a little bunny. You're just a little bunny. Hi, honey. Hi. Hello. It's the bunny farm. Hi, buds. Bunnyville. Here's that's how you know you're in the South. Did you see the Bunny Baptist Church? Hey, Bunny Baptist Church. There's a little bunny in there. It looks like he's sleeping. Bunny Baptist Church, bro.
There you go, bunny.
That's how you know you in the South. I see the chickens.
Ah. Is that the bunny? Bunny.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you, and yes, I'm talking to you. You are beautiful, and I had to let you know in your own language. Oh, here are the different kinds of rule the roost. Uppington or Orpington, Leghorn, Wyandotte, I don't know how to say half these words, Silky, and Rhode Island Red. I don't know if that's true.
Chicken.
Trisha.
Look, that is a mama chicken.
Oh, here's some other chickens over here. This is the chick inn.
This is chicken. Come on, chicken.
I love this. Your breasts look amazing. I just have to
Come
say
on,
that.
chickens.
And I mean that
Say quack, quack, quack.
as another person, as another female with breasts.
Quack.
You have lovely tatas.
No, take a picture with him.
You're not getting to my screen. And bust out my GoPro with them sharp beaks. But it's still cool to get close to him like that.
Yeah.
He'll remember this. I hope. I went to Wales, England. I went to London, Scotland, and Wales when I was in like 6th grade for the people to people thing. And we went to an area where they had a bunch of sheep. And so I had the bright idea to take some of the wool and pack it home with me and take it with me. Took it back on the plane. And when I got home, my clothes, they smelled horrible.
Really?
Oh yeah, I was really stupid. I was like 10. And then I destroyed all the photos because I kept looking at the film to see if the pictures took. This is before like digital cameras.
Yeah.
So I exposed all the photos. There's like no pictures of my trip to London. Mom was pissed. You know she was. Spend all this money and only you have the memories.
You got real sheep's wool and put it in your clothes?
Yeah, I put it in a plastic bag and then I took it back home because I wanted to show Mom and Dad. But it did not occur to me that, listen, that probably doesn't smell the best. Hi. Hello. You smelling me? Yeah.
Daddy, it's a bee.
Those are flies.
Flies.
Lots of flies, sweetie.
Come on. I know you're going to try to touch it.
Look. A pink.
Oh, that's what this is for.
What? Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Feed them. Whatever.
Hey. Hi. I don't have any food. I'm sorry. I just wanted to touch you. He's like, you bitch. Look at spider webs. Look at the little babies. Look at the babies. Hi, babies. Are you the daddy? I'm about to take you on Maury and figure out if you the daddy. You the daddy? Yep.
Hey.
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 Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, that's, hey, you stop. You leave that little baby alone, bully.
I'm gonna wash my hands. Can I have some soap?
Yeah, you can have some soap.
You wanna wash your hands?
Yes.
Daddy's not gonna say no to washing your hands. All right, put your hand into there. Yeah. See? Do what Auntie Amber does. Yeah. Do this. Rub your hands together. He said, I want to put my face. Rub your hands together. He said, I'm just going to play with it. It actually comes out kind of...
See the donkeys?
I see the donkeys. Did you rinse off all the soap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, yeah.
Oh. Sweet. A lot of these are outside. Wave your hand in front of it again. There you go, bud. I want to see what this is about. Check this out. This is so cool. It's an old Ford truck. See this big truck?
Yeah.
See the big truck? It's got a house on it. Please do not climb on truck or goats will walk. Or goat walk. Thank you. So there might be goats in there. It's a really cool truck. It's like a house on the back of a truck for the goats. That's cool. And they take it all the way up here and go into, I think they used to keep like corn feed in there or something. I'm looking forward to getting some of that pickled, no, what was it, moonshine pickles. I wish I could hop up there and get a photo, but I don't know, my fat butt can jump up there.
Oh, jump over there?
No, over on the big chair.
Oh.
Is there a step? If there is, I need you to hold the camera for me.
This one?
Oh, sweet. Here.
Moment of truth, right?
Oh, got it.
Thought she needed help.
Yeah, I thought I did too. Yes. Ah, this right here, this is what it's all about. Nature, animal crap, and my weird cousin holding the camera. Oh, so he's enjoying being a cameraman now. He's getting real popular. Look at him. Getting real comfortable with the camera. All right, help me down.
This is the moment of truth.
Shut up.
This is what I work out for.
Shut up. Put me down, you son of a bitch.
This is what I work. Come here, you baby.
Shut up. I hate him. I hate him so much. You were struggling. I felt you quivering. You're not Army strong.
You're right about that.
The joke is he's Air Force. That's why that's funny.
Right about that. The world's greatest Air Force.
The world's greatest Air Force.
The world's greatest Air Force.
He's Air Force strong. He's really, really good with keyboards.
That sounds weird.
It does sound weird. Oh, that does sound weird. That was like a that's what she said moment.
Yeah.
Air Force strong. Dad, we saw the animals, Daddy. We saw the animals.
We started. All right. What sound does the dog make?
That's right.
Woof, woof. What sound does the cat make?
Meow.
Yeah.
Okay, what else did you see down there? Did you see a donkey?
Yeah.
And what sound did the donkey make?
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw. Okay. What else did you see down there? You see a pig?
And we didn't see any pigs, but we saw some chickens.
You saw some chickens?
Yes.
What did the chickens sound like?
Quack, quack, quack.
Okay, what else did you see?
We saw some sheep and some goats.
Oh. What did the sheep and the goats sound like?
I asked him, I said, "Are you enjoying the weather out here, sheep?" And they were like, "It's not bad." There's my corny joke for the evening.
No, he was saying, he said, I'm 3 years old, not that. I heard that one before.
Ooh, yellow jackets. Don't touch them, though. Don't touch them. All right, Daddy, come on in. Let's go get some stuff.
Y'all go in and let me know when you're all finished.
Okay, I'm going to shop around.
Shop around.
You see, you should have came in. Remember that you didn't want to come in. Because now you're going to buy everything I can find. Marcus, bring your wallet. I mean, I love you. It feels nice and cool in here. Look at this, guys. They got peanut brittle, bacon flavored peanut brittle. We're just gonna put this here. And cashew brittle, which I've never had, so we're gonna grab that too. Daddy, can I have a mood ring? I want a mood ring.
I want a moon ring.
No, you don't. You don't even know what it is.
Try the rocks.
Yeah, be careful.
It's the rocks. These are so big.
Break your own geodes. I have no idea what that means. Look, I took geology too when I was in college, but that was many centuries ago. Got arrowheads,
We got
pins.
everything.
Look at all this stuff I got, guys. Fried green beans, barbecue flavored pork rinds, cashew brittle, bacon flavored peanut brittle, wasabi peas. We're gonna have some fun videos coming real soon on the Professionally Silly channel. All right, I just need to grab that moonshine pickles to the right. I thought they were closer to you.
Is that moonshine?
No, this is pickled peaches. And the moonshine pickles are on the other side. Jalapeno pickled eggs. Gonna pass on that. Oh, here they are. Moonshine pickles. That in there too. Strawberry salsa. Okay, I need to slow this down. Legit, when I first saw that snake, I thought it was a real snake for like 3 seconds. Freaked me out. Apple jelly, apple butter with honey. What is that? Peach jelly, mild pepper jelly. What's a traffic jam? That's kind of cool. Frog jam? I'm afraid to ask. Fig reserve, pear reserve, peach butter. Oh yeah, we'll be coming back here just to shop, Marcus.
What's the traffic jam?
I don't know. I read it. Didn't really say much.
Raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries.
Is that what that is?
It's traffic jam.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, glazed pecans. I love glazed pecans, but it's not worth that price. They want $8 for this tiny bag of glazed pecans. No, baby. There's a reason why it's high up there, so you can't get to it.
Yes, they're so good.
Spicy and salty is actually a good
We can watch the
combo.
Braves and eat peppers.
You know, Chipper Jones has his own moonshine sweet tea.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, I saw it at the liquor store not too long ago. It was like a few months ago when I was there. I saw it and I said, I gotta come back and get that. If you know Chipper Jones, then you're definitely a Braves fan.
I don't,
There we go, that's my girl. She said, I know Chipper.
I don't know much about them.
He's our second favorite Brave.
Yeah.
Still first is Hank.
Oh, yeah. That's why he said second favorite. Hank Aaron's the first.
Hank is still our first.
No, I really like it when Jason Hayward was on our team.
Oh, man.
6206.
I'm just glad to be
Hayward
back.
Graduated from Henry County High School.
Oh, we did?
Yes,
Sure
ma'am.
did.
And I'll
Right
tell
down
you
here.
how, let me tell you how he got his number. I worked with a lady, and her son was Andy Wilmot. Well, Jason Hayward and Andy Wilmot were best friends. Well, Andy was killed tragically in a car crash. But Andy's high school baseball number was number 22.
And so that's why he won.
And that's why he won.
Oh, I didn't know
In honor
that.
Of his best friend.
I didn't know that.
And he's still playing.
That's a beautiful and sad story at the same time.
Now,
St. Louis?
she has passed on as well.
Oh.
But he kept in
He was a
contact with
Cardinal.
her.
And then
Ooh,
he
thank
moved
you so
to-
much.
I thought it was, it's not the Yankees, is it? He's not Cardinal anymore.
Yeah, that was his first barnyard animals in person. That's cool.
First farm, first, yeah.
His first farm and all that. I was there to witness that. I want to thank you guys so much for joining us in this random family adventure vlog. Click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe because there's going to be a lot more amazing things coming. And if you're good, we're going to have more Paranormal Blacktivity videos coming too. All right, see you guys later. You know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and check out your featured comments for one of my past videos. And the video we're going to be looking at this week is going to be This Tequila Hit Different Vespertino Taste and Review. It is a great, oh my God, it's a great drink. It's an alcoholic beverage that I got when I went to the adult beverage store. And let's just say Bailey's, you're taking a back seat for quite some time. Sorry about that. First comment is coming from Uptown Angie. That's a dope name. I like that. Uptown Angie. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Uptown Angie. That is your new theme song. You're welcome. Angie says, love your channel. Thank you for sharing the adult beverage with us. It's the classy name for me. Vespertino. Ooh. I put a little ooh on that word. Vespertino. For you gringos out there. It's a great drink. You really have to try it. My next comment is coming from Dre Sims. Dre says, oh. Well, Dre, I don't know if I should read this online. It's so personal. Dre says, you are so beautiful, Amber. I hope you know that. I never skip your ads, by the way. Dre, I appreciate you. You're blind, but I appreciate you. And also, thank you for not skipping through the ads. It's the only way I'm making money on this channel. Thank you. All right, our last comment is coming from LaCrista James. LaCrista says, so it's like rum chata with tequila? I gotta look out for that. Yeah, it's really good stuff. When I tell you, it's delicious. Look at this, hold up. Did I drink it already? Nope. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but Vespertino saw the video that I made reviewing their tequila. They loved it, and I made another unboxing video a while back. I want to say maybe a month ago on this channel. I did an unboxing that they sent me of some Vespertino merch, which was fire. Got myself a little swag box. This is a mini shot of the Vespertino. I've been saving it, and this is the last one I have because my cousin Chris, every time he first of all, he drank all my Vespertino the first time. Okay, he drank all of that shit. Then I got sent these. They sent me 3 of these. He drank 2. So I have 1 left. I gotta hide this from this fool. I mean, I can just go to the store and buy more if I can find it, but they don't have it at the liquor store that I went to. Oh, no, that's a lie. It's just too far and I didn't feel like driving all the way out there. That's what it is. It's laziness. Damn, laziness is fucking up my getting lit ability. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and help your girl find some success on this algorithm. Okay? Help me out. It is hard being black, gay, and slightly overweight on YouTube, let me tell you, especially if you're all three at the same time. Good Lord. So thumbs up, subscribe, check out my podcast if you haven't already. It's called The Professionally Silly Podcast. It's the same name, but different content. We do true crime there, paranormal stories and experiences, and a lot of random things that I find online, i.e. bizarre sex fetishes. We discuss Robert the doll, this extremely haunted doll that lives in Florida. I'm not going to say anything disrespectful about this doll, because if you heard this about this doll before, you know if you are disrespectful to him, he can cause horrible things to happen to you in your actual life. So Robert, I appreciate and respect you. Please don't affect my life in a negative way. I don't even know how to word that. I'm just sorry. Look, I know y'all, don't laugh, I'm dead ass serious. Okay, I'm dead ass serious. We talk about serial killers. We talk about Ouija boards, scary Home Alone stories, all kinds of creepy, funny, hilarious things. It is an audible variety show. Check out the Professionally Silly Podcast. If you have not seen my latest Paranormal Blacktivity videos, check out this trailer. I think it's going to wet your whistle quite well. You might even drown. Enjoy. He is taking me to another cemetery, which I didn't know about that. That is creepy as fuck. You wanted to do this.
So this is like a Confederate cemetery.
Anything?
Oh, but I got the creepiest feeling, man. It's like somebody's watching me, bro.
If you're here and you want to speak with us right now is the time. I know there's someone nearby. Oh, it's fluctuating.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I was like somebody just walked around or something.
I thought that was you walking.
I'm sitting here looking around me.
What is my name? How many of you are there around us right now? Oh,
There's
God.
a lot. There's a lot. How many?
Hey, yo, you think we killed everybody? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did. I don't know. What about this one? Shit, he looked dead to me. We gotta make sure he is. Hey, tickle his feet, cuz. What? Tickle his feet. Are you serious right now? No, I'm serious, bro. Just tickle his feet. Trust me. All right, man. Oh, shit. He alive. No, wait. Hey, shoot his ass. Wait.
I gotta check that. I gotta go out for that. No, that says chicken. Oh, pancakes. Hey, grab those pickled peaches.
Moment of truth, right?
Oh, okay, got it.
Thought she needed help.
Yeah, I thought I did too. Yes. Just tap the screen if it goes black. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Ah, this right here. This is what it's all about. Nature, animal crap, and my weird cousin holding the camera. All right, help me down.
This is the moment of truth.
Shut up.
This is what I work out for.
Shut up. Put me down, you son of a bitch.
This is what I work. Come here, baby.
Shut up. I hate him. I hate him so much.
Buffalo fried shrimp and hand sanitizer.